Targeting communities that need the vaccine is also becoming an issue.
According to new reports from the CDC, the U.S. recorded race and ethnicity in half of the country's vaccinations. And without all of these numbers, health agencies say it makes it harder for them to pinpoint where they need to go. COVID-19 has hit racial and ethnic groups harder, with Latinos and Native Americans having the highest death and hospitalization rates. It's more than 3 times the hospitalization and more than 2 times in deaths. And Black Americans aren't that far behind either, with nearly 3 times the hospitalizations and 2 times the death rate. To help break those barriers, city and community leaders joins forces for a special tour.
41 Action News reporter Andres Gutierrez shows us the personal visit they made in one neighborhood.
Actually good to be out in the neighborhood again, too.
Hitting the pavement is an old-fashioned but proven way to get the word out.
Have y'all got COVID vaccine shots yet? You got to get your shot, man. Why not?
Kansas City's Mayor Quinton Lucas spending part of the Cinco de Mayo raising vaccine awareness in the West Side.
I'm going to come around after they vaccinate half the world, and I'm going to be like...
You know they're getting there.
They close to half.
We're getting around on it.
Not going to get me.
The walking tour organized by the Guadalupe Centers, the nonprofit serving as a resource during the pandemic for the predominantly Latino neighborhood.
For whatever reason, there's been a hesitancy to do it, but once a family member gets it, gets a vaccine, I think there's a comfort level that spreads quickly throughout a family.
Some public health officials would like to see more concrete data when it comes to knowing which minority groups are getting vaccinated. The KCMO Health Department says the numbers in Missouri are hard to track because while some clinics keep track of race and ethnicity, the big pharmacies like CVS and Walgreens aren't required to report those to the state.
To get my daughter, but she don't believe in it. My sister and I got the shots. I'm trying to get my grandson, but he's only 11.
In speaking to residents, business owners, and visitors, there were a handful of vaccine skeptics.
Are you getting your vaccine? You thinking about it? You thinking about it?
She got hers.
She got hers because she on top of it all.
People, they feel like they're going to have a back reaction, and which is not. I mean, they're very safe.
COVID's still around. COVID's still a challenge. People are still getting sick. You need to get vaccinated. It's the way we can keep the entire community safe.
In Kansas City, Andres Gutierrez, 41 Action News.